I want to call attention of this issue happening in Ghana about EZE and IGBO and the Igbo kingdom in Ghana. Because the issue has been triggering, I've got like more than 25 calls from the top officials, good friends in Ghana and some Liberians that is big in Ghana, that they're supposed to build the Liberia kingdom because they are old there. They have even some biggest hotels there in Ghana. They have not built it. And what I ask myself is this: when Novesta called me General, when General called me and General made a comment, and I laugh, I look where the comment is going. He said, "King, I've known you before these people start them trending. I know you for a long time as EZE and IGBO in United Arab Emirates, Dubai. You started this movement and it's been peaceful and it's been lovely and everyone is happy. But what is happening in Ghana now is what they call Ghana must go. Happened in Nigeria some certain years ago. And when I was going through the messages that have been sent to me from some citizens of Ghana in US, in some other places, London, and I was asking, why are them sending all these messages to me? And I noticed one thing, that wisdom is something that you will not buy from school. You will not buy with money, but you can buy knowledge. You can buy some education. Some set of people move to Ghana in the name of visiting the EZE and IGBO of Ghana. Truth. And what those people titled is what I say, that what is killing our Igbo people is this lack of knowledge. What is the title of the group that moved to Ghana? Those group is called Nigeria government listen or Ghanaian government listen. All the people that send me message, that call me on phone, I want you people to listen too. I am not supporting evil. The group that went to Ghana is called AGUGBAOLA group. Is club they formed by Honorable Ekulora Ndebo. They formed this group called AGUGBAOLA. Then they visited Ghana. Maybe some of them that is into real estate, I will not start mentioning them. All of them visited, they exchange number, they bring the knowledge, they bring the idea. As soon as they left, idea of Igbo kingdom comes. Maybe because Truth is the member of the AGUGBAOLA. And I want to see how this English of AGUGBAOLA be interpreted in language that everybody can understand. AGUGBAOLA means let your wealth, let those wealth you have inquired that makes you feel that you are a wealthy man, let those wealth get to your home, your own town, establish it there, make it loud so people can know that truly you are a wealthy man. Now, when those clubs answer that name and those clubs support them club member, them friend, to cause such havoc in Ghana, because this thing now is coming like a play. Give it like more 1 week, you will see what it will cost. It will cost embassy. It will cost Nigerians oil leave. It will cost fight. It will cost one have kill one have resolute one have shoot one leg, one have wound one. All this trouble caused by who? The EZE and IGBO of Ghana, which is Truth, supported by the people that came to visit him, and they're not giving more wings to fly. Because because when they start talking about this, somebody give me a reference that they think that the power that the guy have to make this kind of a rubbish announcement is because of the people that came to Nigeria. They come from Nigeria to visit him. So after these people, he now developed these wings, feel that he have a lot of backup. I will tell you, this person that called me, Novesta Ekwensi, Novesta Ekwensi, that called me. Novesta, we do respect, is not the Akuruono that visited EZE NDI in Ghana that made him to be acting this way. No, you are wrong. They visited him, maybe had already these plans, and because of some members of Akuruono are developers, he brought them in. Maybe they do not buy the idea of putting that name. I know person like Big C will not buy idea of putting that kind of name, because Big C investing in Asaba, investing in Oka, investing in Agolo, investing in Lagos. That's what they call Akuruono. So if you are a member of Akuruono and you are not investing in your home, then what makes you belong in that group? Because that group are the people that have invested in so many places in them home. So like choose. If you must take that title of Igbo Kingdom in Ghana, you are causing a lot of trouble, and you are making that to come like a blackmail to other people that put you as a membership. And it's wrong. It's very wrong. Because big personnels that have been existing for years, maintaining money, training money, and as regards, they are in that group. And come to see one of them group member being treated like this, because this thing you're seeing now like a joke. Give it 1 week. You will not believe that it's this issue that started small. Like the Ghanaians have been looking for opportunity to do a thing like this. And you choose the EZE NDI in Ghana. Allegedly, you have instigated this fire. And trust me, when you will get to the time that the president will deny that he's not aware, is when the chiefs will come out with them wrapper, with them crown, and tell the president that this is our land. Give him your own land. The money you invested in the 200 plots, according to you, will sound like it's no longer Akuruono, it's Akuruomba. Because this thing you say, now let's be honest to ourselves, all my viewers all over the world, I want you to share this video. My name still remains His Royal Majesty Igwe AGUGBAOLA. I'm still the EZE NDI one of United Arab Emirates, Dubai, existing EZE NDI. Every other ones are autonomous and they are not approved by me. Let me certify everyone's mind. I want you to be honest, you viewers, and I want you to be honest, you listeners. If you come to Lagos State, let's use Lagos State, Yoruba land, and you now come somewhere to build, and you write it there, Calabar Kingdom, do you think that Yorubas will allow you to do that? They will break it. Before you woke up in the morning, you will see sand. Let's be honest. You now come to my state, Enugu State, and you now build in Enugu State, write it, Imo State Kingdom. Trust me, early morning, as you're waking up, you will see my people from my village breaking it up. Come on, let's be honest. Now you leave all this area, you go to someone place. The investment you would have done, like you would have do that big real estate. The estate, you would have write it Big C property or Attitude Royal property or Lucky's Garden. There's big developer that come to Ghana for a holiday and they happen to meet with you. In that title of Akuruono, you don't deserve to be that member because you brought insult to that name, Akuruono. You would write something else in that place without bringing these scandemonias, bringing this same similar of xenophobia. You're bringing it to Ghana now. It will not clear in your eyes and your supporters until when this thing will get to the level that I have seen. I'm an elderly man. I sat down. I see this. And I see where this thing will lead by next week if you do not stop now. Address these people. Change that title. Put something else if you still want to save the land and save your name. Because the next thing you will hear, you leave our country. It happens to IK in Kenya. Where is IK today? All his properties in Kenya, where are they? They tell him leave. Your own is becoming too much. Leave. You think by marrying a Ghanaian or marrying a Kenyan will save you of them telling you to leave the land? You are lying. Respect yourself in such land that has never been happy with you. Do you think that the history of Ghana must go from Nigeria have cleared off? No. You want to repeat it now. And there's a bag, new handbag that is coming up. And the name of that handbag is Nigeria must go from Ghana. Mark this word if you do not stop this. My name is His Royal Majesty AGUGBAOLA FJ, King State music name. One Amoloha one of Enugu State in Ine. The General Crown Prince. Nwamuru Burani Abagweni. I greet you all.